Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your currency on CoinGecko.com account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. Start off by opening up a web browser of your choice and type in CoinGecko.com. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for CoinGecko, and make sure to log into your account by entering your correct credentials. After you are signed into the account, click on the settings icon at the top right hand corner, and in the pop-up click on currency. Now you can choose from the suggested list of currency displayed on the screen. Change your fiat currency according to your need, and in order to choose the currency of your choice, go ahead and select one of the options and click on it. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see your fiat currency change inside your CoinGecko account. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.